Hi guys, if you are encountering Roblox error code 1001 on Windows, in the sense you don't need to fix anything because it's not a real error from Roblox. Then what you had a question like, then what is the error code 1001 means? So this error is actually a hoax, a frictional pop-up designed to scare players, often in horror style Roblox experience like start survey. It's meant to spook players, not to indicate any legitimate problem. The typical displayed message might warn possible raid warning. We have detected another device in your house. In case you are alone, call 911 quickly. But this is not from Roblox. It's created by the game developed to add suspense. Not only 1001 or like 9 call 911 quickly, it has more error like which is shown on the display. Those errors are not a real legitimate error from Roblox. Yeah, it's created by the game developer to add a suspense. Those errors might be displayed on your gameplay. This meme or error first surfaced around on 2022 rapidly in the platform. The community perspective is the error code 1001. It's a fake error code. It's a part of the game. So what we should do? Don't panic. It's intentionally fake and harmless. Simply continue playing or exit the game knowing it's just a part of the design, not a real system failure. And let me tell you why it might feel real but it's not. The suspicious element like emergency instruction, Roblox would never ask you to call 911 in game. And the 4-digit code 1001, typically Roblox users 3-digit error codes, and it may show poor grammar or odd font, unprofessional formatting not used by Roblox, and no record on Roblox support. It's not acknowledged officially. So the Roblox error code 1001 is entirely frictional and a part of spooky game experience or internet lore. This is nothing broken behind it, and it's not harm anything in the gameplay. Enjoy your game and don't let a fake error code derail your fun. And if in case I had any other problem, let me know. And thank you for watching. For more, subscribe Tech Tube. And if you are encountering the error code and if you're not able to encounter the 1001 in the sense, please command your experience. Our support team will support to you. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Have fun. Bye.